Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're just going to be doing something really quick and pretty and simple. So as you guys can see, we're just doing a nice French tip. So I'm using my Madam Glam gel polish in the color Perfect White, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just tracing her smile line that she already has, and then we're going to come back and clean it up, of course. And then make sure that when you're doing this that you're capping your free edge, and basically what that means is just making sure that you polish the free edge as well, because it is really noticeable, especially when you have short nails. So again, we're retracing that small line that's already there, that free edge, and then we're going to come back and clean it up. So to clean up your small line, you can use any small brush. I'm going to be using the cleanup brush that I always use, which is actually a gel brush by OPI, but I use it as a cleanup brush. I dip it into acetone, wipe my brush off on a paper towel to where it's damp but not soaking wet. And then I go from the left side, working my way over to the right side, just doing a swiping motion, just one big swipe, and then wiping it off on my paper towel. You do want to make sure that you do this really slow, because if not, you will mess it up. But again, you just go from the left side, as you see here, working my way over to the right side, and that's pretty much it. You don't want there to be just a straight line. You want to basically do the same thing that's already there, basically with their small line, just retracing it in white. So we went ahead and cured the first hand, and we're going to go ahead and do the second hand. So as you can see, it's really quick and pretty simple. So again, we just polish the tips with that white, and this can be done with regular polish. It could also be done on toes, and you just do the same thing. You just apply the polish on the tips and go back in and wipe around that small line with your brush to clean it up. And after this, once we finish this hand, again, we're going to clean up, and then we're going to go ahead and do a second coat on the other hand. Alrighty, so we're going to cure that hand for 30 seconds, and again, we're just going to go back in and do a second coat, and basically we're just retracing what's already there, and then you won't have that much cleaning up to do this time, just a little bit, since you already have, a guide to go by. But once we're finished with this hand, we're going to go ahead and cure this one for another 30 seconds, and we're going to do the second coat on the other hand as well. Alrighty, y'all, so once we finish doing that, we're going to go ahead and apply the top coat. You can add bling or designs or whatever you want to do, but we just kept it really nice and simple. So I'm just applying my IBD gel top coat, and as always, we're going to cure this for 60 seconds under our UV LED lamp. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. Again, they're really simple and cute and elegant. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.